Hi everyone, this is Gastro. In this episode of the video, I'm going to show you how I season my wok. There are a couple of steps to follow. The first one is you want to wash away some of these industrial oils and debris that build out on the surface of the wok. The best is to use some of the this soap and then just wash away, just slightly wash away. You don't want to totally wash away all the oil, but just clean it up for both the front and the back of the wok. Make sure you clean. After cleaning, you're going to wash away, you're going to rinse it. Then we are going to dry all this front surface of the wok, both sides. And then we are ready for the next steps. The second step of wok seasoning is to heat up the wok with the low heat. And you want to build up the wok so that the color from this mirror image actually turn to blue. Alright, you want all the surface to be blue. So but make sure you actually on your hood to make sure that the smoke actually going up to the hood, then otherwise your home will be full of smoke aroma, so to speak. Then now, as you can see from the wok, it's actually slowly turning to blue. You got to make sure that you actually swirl around the wok to make sure that the heat actually even out across the wok. The first is to make sure that the central part of the wok to turn blue first before we move away to the side of the wok. Now you can see that the center part of the wok has turned blue, has turned bluish, and we're going to slowly move to the side of the wok. You just have to tilt the wok to the side. Make sure you hold the handle so that you don't drop. As you can see now, I'm actually tilting my wok to the side of the wall so that I can get it to heat it up so that it turns blue. It's very beautiful blue, as you can see here. As you can see that this is a very dangerous process, and you can see that some of the smoke actually coming out from the handle. Just be careful when you do this process. Make sure that you have a heat resistance glove on it to prevent from injury. So I still have another maybe around 10% of the wok to be done. So I will show you when the process is end. Now that I have fully covered the area and heat up all the surface area from the center to the side of the wall, as you can see, it's actually turning to a bluish color. Very nice, beautiful color. It looks like a ultraviolet blue kind of color. So this is how you should do it. After you finish cover the area, then you're going to rest it for 5 minutes. We'll come back after 5 minutes to follow the next step. high. After resting for 5 minutes, and then we are moving to the next step, that is to oil the wok. Make sure you use a high smoke oil. For me, I'm using the canola oil, which is a high smoke oil. You can either use this peanut oils or grapeseed oil or avocado oil. They are all good to go. In the traditional Chinese way of oiling, they'll probably use the pork fats, because those days pork fats are widely available in China. So yeah, that is also a good choice if you have pork fat with you. So yeah, we are going to do this now, and make sure to on your hood. What we are going to do is we are going to heat it up to low. And then we are going to pour in some of the canola oil. Then you have to get yourself a tongue or a chopstick with the cloth on it. And then what we are going to do is to slowly oil the pans while the heat is heating up. Now this is a very crucial step. I must mention that this is a very crucial step. What we are trying to achieve right now is that we are going to make sure that the minor pores on the stew, we are going to cement it with the oil, so that whatever you cook in the future, it will be as if a non-stick wok. You will act like a non-stick wok. So this is very important. Carefully oil it from the center of the wok to the side of the wok, and make sure it's fully covered. Hi, this is how it look like when you fully oil the wok. You look at the color, it looks so beautiful. It's like a very nice ultraviolet blue kind of color. Very beautiful. And you can see from the the cloth, there are some discolorations. This is normal because these are the dirt of the or maybe the dust, or maybe the rust on the surface that we pick it up from this oiling process. So this is a very crucial one. After this process, you may rest the wok for about 30 to 1 hour before you actually wash or rinse away once again. Just a brief rinsing will do, because you don't want to wash away all the oil on the surface. After this, you may start cooking, but the manufacturer recommended that during the first month of the cooking, you should not be cooking any of the acidic food like tomatoes or maybe vinegars and things like that. But what they want you to do is basically fry and oil or anything to do with oily food. It will be good to go for the first 1 month. After that, you may do whatever you want to do with the wok. It should be non-stick. So I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. I may want to do another video of how I should maybe fry an egg or something like that to see how good is the wok after the seasoning. For the time being, signing off. This is Gastro. Thank you very much for your viewing. Thank you.